Polygon tool. The Polygon tool in Figma is more versatile than it looks. From triangles to complex shapes, you can customize polygons to fit your design needs. Let's explore its full potential. Creating and adjusting sides. Start by drawing a polygon. You can change the number of sides, anywhere from 3 to 60, directly in the inspector panel. Or simply drag the circular handle on one of the corners to adjust the number of sides visually. Bounding box and flattening. You may notice that the bounding box of a polygon extends beyond the shape itself when you change the number of sides. This keeps the size consistent during adjustments. To snap the bounding box to the shape's boundary, use the flatten option. But remember, this will convert the polygon into a vector shape, meaning you can no longer adjust the number of sides. Customizing corner radius. Polygons also support corner radius adjustments. Set a uniform radius in the inspector panel or drag the circular handle inside the polygon to adjust it visually. For even more control, enter editing mode by double-clicking the polygon or pressing Return or Enter key. From here, you can adjust the radius for selected corners individually by holding Shift and selecting multiple points. With the Polygon tool, you can create everything from simple shapes to intricate designs. Experiment with sides, radius, and flattening to unlock endless possibilities.